Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform soft reset for your earbuds JLAB EPIC LAB. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case, and now your earbuds are disconnected from your phone. So after that we should remove it from the charging case and it will reconnect to your phone. So right here the device list, we can check it. Sometimes it happens that they don't want to reconnect automatically, so try to just click on your earbuds at the device list, and as you can see we have connection. But it should remove automatically. So, sorry, not remove, just reconnect. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!